Okay, here we have our title page for our theme unit on sound. We're going to need to draw some different items to do a sound. Now, I can show you a few different things that produce sound. Let's take a look at some different instruments and objects. So sound can be made with an instrument, like a drum. When I hit the drum, it makes vibrations that cause the sound. Here's another tool that makes vibrations. It's called a tuning fork. And when you hit it against something, it vibrates and it makes a sound. Tuning fork. This is called a thunder gourd, and this metal coil is connected to this plastic bottom. So when you hit it, it vibrates. And it sounds like thunder. Some sounds are made with air. This is called a slide whistle, so I have to blow air into it. Slide whistle. Blow air in it. This is another instrument that you use to blow air in. It's a pan flute from Peru. Just gotta blow into these holes. Some sounds are made by explosions. Let's draw some of those sounds onto the front cover of our theme unit booklet. So we could draw a drum, the drumstick hitting it. And when a drum is hit, the sound waves go in all directions. Sound waves don't just travel in one direction, but all directions. We could draw a balloon that when you pop it with a pin, we get an exploding mess and a huge sound that comes out. We could draw a whistle. The idea with the whistle is that when you blow through this end, the sound comes out in a loud whistling sound. We could draw something that vibrates like the tuning fork. When you hit a tuning fork, it makes vibration sounds that go everywhere. So sounds can be made from air blowing, from something being hit and vibrating, from explosions. Let's add some color to those. Sound, created by air, vibration, explosion. What are you going to draw for your front cover?